All right. Today we will be filming a makeup look. It's pretty simple. It's almost like you want to be involved in the euphoria craze, but you don't. Halfway in, halfway out. It's basically just a bold wing and some beautiful stones, and honestly, I love it. Ever since I told you guys I wasn't gonna stop wearing rhinestones, I did not lie. I've been wearing rhinestones every day on my eyes. My eyes are extremely red right now because I just had so much lash glue, and I was trying to get all the lash glue off my lashes before filming, and you know, this is where we ended up. Just ignore the redness. This look is gonna be very easy and very fast, but it has a powerful impact, and that's the kind of look I like. Quick, powerful, because we don't have time. So I'm gonna start first with creating the wing. I didn't prep my lids, I didn't do anything. I'm using the Kai liner. So I like to kind of pull my eye from here. You see this part of your eye that kind of goes up right here? I feel like when you pull it, you can see the direction that would make your eye look the most snatched. I kind of just go like this and then follow that, like that. Okay, and I'm gonna do it to the other side now. The good thing about not doing your makeup prior to your liner is that if you mess up, you could just fix it with a makeup wipe. Now we're gonna connect. Extend. Boom. This pen is really nice. As far as the applicator, the tip is like a really easy liner tip to use. Some of these felt tips are not as easy. Pretty much the only other one I really love felt tip wise, like this, is the Kat Von D Trooper liner. The only thing I will say about this is a little shiny. I like more of a matte finish with the liner, but other than that, it's like really dark. So I always use those kinds of felt tip liners to do like the outline of the wing because I feel like they're precise, inky, I love it. But then to fill it in, I love to use a gel liner. I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown one today because that is the one that I am currently able to find on this crazy mess of a desk. It is the same one I used the other day as well, and a lot of you asked. It has a really nice smooth texture. I love this one. I also love the Inglot. That's one of my faves. So now we're going to fill it in. The reason I don't like shiny liner is because when you take pictures and stuff, when something is shiny, it gives off a lot of reflections. So for example, you know when you take a flash photo and like the flash hits your brow and so like your brow looks lighter in a certain area? That's how I feel about the liner too. If it's too shiny when I take pictures, I almost feel like if there is light bouncing off of any part of the wing, it makes it look not as sharp. Yes, bitch. The wing is back. So now I'm gonna apply some false lashes. These are from Batty B, and this is the style Saucy. You guys, let me just tell you, I broke a nail here. It's tragic. Tragic. I actually had to cut off all my real nails and get fake nails because they were all cracked. It was time, you know, it was time to start over. I wasn't ready for the short nails yet, so here I am, but I forgot how easily fake nails break. Also, do you guys like my hair clips? Let me see if you could. Boom, boom. I don't know how messed up it is back there, honestly. My tracks, my extensions are all showing, and I decided just to put clips over them, so there's clips all over my head. You guys, I'm in such a great mood today. You know when you wake up and you just have great energy and you feel good? That's today for me. I've been out in the garden, being attacked by beetles. That part wasn't so fun, but still, I enjoy gardening so much that it still brings me joy at the end when I have all my crops, my Perkins produce, which, by the way, is popping right now, okay? It's all the rage. Everybody wants a piece of the pie. Everyone that comes over gets a little basket, but I'm sad to say that the harvest is almost over. I think I only have 4 peaches left on my tree. Like, what am I gonna do once it's all gone? These have like a really pretty, like a fluffy vibe to them.
You think Desi Perkins would be doing her own voiceover in case her audio got cut out, but nah, she passed the job over to me. Her brother, Keesh, not Dan. You guys know Dan, you guys don't know me, so I'm gonna introduce myself in a form of a makeup tutorial. I think I've watched enough makeup tutorials and filmed enough makeup tutorials to know what the fuck is going on, so without further ado, here we go.
Now back to our regularly scheduled program.
She's about to pull out the Benefit Cosmetics Hula Matte Bronzer. Insert pretends to be shot gif. Revolutionary. She's never done this before. Look at that. Now she's gonna pull out the Pat McGrath primer. She says she loves it. Do I believe her? I don't know. You know, beauty gurus will do anything these days for money. No, for real though, she really does love that primer. Going in with not 1, but 2 Pat McGrath foundation bottles that pretty much equate to my entire paycheck. And she's using her hands like an animal. Ugh, disgusting. No, she's kind of giving me Megan Fox and Jennifer's Body vibes when she's applying her makeup right before she breaks down. Hasn't had a feeding in a while. Is looking pretty run down. I'm not a makeup artist or anything, but it looks like she's spreading it around kind of poorly, you know? But I'm gonna let her slide this one time because she has those talents. I'm sure it's even hard for her to even wipe her butt. Oh, look, a foundation brush, finally. Could have done that from the very beginning. Making me do more audio work, you little bitch. Right now she's saying, so you guys, what videos you want me to film next? Leave me your suggestions in the comments down below so I can film it a million years from now like I did with this recommended makeup tutorial. No, but for real though, leave in the comment section down below what video you want to see next. Yes, carve out the brow, clean it up, so I don't have to in post when I take pictures of you later. She seems pretty chatty in this video actually. Kind of a shame that she couldn't get the audio for it. She's probably giving you guys some life-changing, profound, enlightenment-reaching information. Or she could just be talking about cleaning up her brow. I guess that's the same thing. This makeup product doesn't really need an introduction. You guys seen her use this hundreds of times. You already know what the deal is. If you know, you know. Jokes aside though, this product is actually pretty good. If you're into taking pictures, which I'm sure all of you are since you're watching makeup tutorials and you probably take makeup selfies, this product is a very natural, transformative, effective, overall great product. Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Biscuit, travel size because she lost all the full size versions. I don't know how she does it. She'll put something down and all of a sudden it's gone. I swear, it's like her hands activate the gates to the Bermuda Triangle or some different dimension, a black hole in outer space. Her hands do one of the three and I'm sure she's proud of it. Are you guys excited for Halloween? Excited for those Halloween makeup tutorials that she's gonna film at 5 in the morning, till 5 in the morning actually, with me there with her, only for her at the end of filming to be like, you know what, I don't really like it. I don't know. My version of hell is waking up every day filming Halloween makeup tutorials. Do me a solid, go on her Instagram, go on her YouTube since I feel like we're close and you guys can do me a favor and I can do you one. Wait, that sounded sexual. Wait, I'm actually okay with that. Go on her Instagram, go on her YouTube and comment down below and say, you know what, Des, it's totally fine. Take October off. We don't need any Halloween looks from you this time. You've done enough. Please. Des, if you're listening to this audio, this voiceover, please, master, don't make me do more YouTube videos for Halloween. Please. Another thing, since we're so close now, we're basically best friends, family, unconditional love, no judgment here. Have to confide in you guys about the fact that there's no AC blasting because it picks up on the audio. I am accumulating so much under titty sweat. I kid you not, it is dripping. Y'all understand my struggle, right? Going in with the nose contour. Have you guys ever had really bad nose contour jobs? Are you still bad at it? Let me know in the comments down below. Now I'm gonna go in with Guerlain, or Guerlain. I'm sure you guys corrected me about 100 times already, but I'm just gonna pretend that I didn't hear you and I'm gonna go with it. So here I am just bronzing up my forehead some more, because I have a large brain.
What?
No, it's okay. We're good.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
You just scared the shit out of me. Why would you do that to me? God. Can you imagine if I filmed the whole thing and there's no audio? Oh, gosh. God, he scared me. Can you imagine no audio? Oh my God, that kind of stuff happens all the time when we're filming. Something goes wrong and I'm like, wow. All right, let's add some blush. Loving this Bobbi Brown blush. Also loving this KKW blush. Which one should I use? That's the question. All right, with the same brush, this is actually a Smith 112, by the way, BTW. I'm gonna apply the Bobbi Brown Apricot blush. Love a good blush moment. This is a beautiful, very pink, I don't even know what to call this. Is it a blush topper? Is it a highlight? It's called Into Eternity Electric Wonder Iridescent Powder. So I'm gonna take some of that. This is by MAC. And I just want like a little bit of a sheen. This is like a really soft, which is what I want. I don't want anything too crazy. I want the skin to look dewy, radiant, juicy, like a peach. That's so pretty. Okay. And then Maybelline Molten Gold, like right here. And aquí. And then just dab it out with my finger. I'm using that in my inner corner too, the Maybelline. All right, it's time for the fun part of this look. It's time for the rhinestones.
Back again. Keesh is back. Tell a friend. My sister's about to do some pioneer, never before seen, makeup game changing, industry breaking shit. She's gonna put rhinestones underneath her eyes. Trendsetter. Hashtag break the internet.
So revolutionary, it's so bold and so brilliant.
I love you, Dish. Don't kill me. Don't tase me. Don't stab me. I love you. I think I'm done talking about makeup for today. How about we move on? Do you guys even care? Should we just talk about something else? You guys already know what lip liner she's using. Bet you $50 she's either using a combination of cork and oak from MAC, or she's using cork and oak from MAC. And I bet you anything, she's probably gonna use NYX Cosmetics for her lip. Oh, and there it is. Probably in the color London or Abu Dhabi. I suggest you guys DM her and ask for her lip combo. She'll probably be posting a makeup selfie of this look. Okay, I'm done shading her. I'm tired, I'm over it. I'm clocking out. All right, Des, get these shackles off me. Come on, I gotta go home. This was really fun. Oh, by the way, that product right there, it's called Freck. It's a faux freckle product. To end this video on a solid note as a legitimate makeup guru, I'm gonna end it with thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this makeup look. It's super cute, love it. It's definitely a vibe. Please let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
All right, so this is the finished makeup look. It's real cute, love it. Simple, but with impact. It's tiny, but mighty. Pequeño, pero peligroso. You know what I mean? I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.